Hey there, this is a quick video to share with you a new tool that will help you with getting images created or any sort of creative designs that you may need. This tool is called Midjourney, and it is an AI that helps to generate images based on whatever prompts that you feed it. So it's about $10 a month for the basic plan, and I would recommend checking it out. For that $10, you can generate about 200 images. And let me just show you what it does. So basically, you come in here and you are going to tell the AI what you want to create, and it'll imagine the image for you. So you can use different terms like a cinematic film, a close-up. You can ask it to create different logos for you, some different shelving. I've seen some images that are like coloring book pages for adults, which I thought was pretty crazy. But you can set up whatever image you want, and it will generate it for you. And so for this, what we'll do is let's just run through a quick test and ask it to imagine something. So let's say imagine a successful entrepreneur speaking to a crowd in a cinematic look with sunlight behind him. And we'll say in a modern office environment. And so you just put that in there, and then what it's going to do, you have to basically join a queue here. So you're using the resources of this instance in order to get your image created. But you'll see here, sorry, I got to get to this thing just keeps on running. Now your images are public if they're in this, but what you can do is you have the option of having private images so that yours isn't shared with everybody. But I don't find it as being a big deal because basically I got inspired but looking at some of these, and then it also really taught me how to add in the right features that we're going to create like relevant images. So let me just get down here. There's a lot since I have been on here, but it's actually showing you some of the ones that they're creating. So you can use different products: Toyota Sienna, snowy weather, snow falling, which looks pretty cool. I've learned the different sort of ways that you can ask for images using specific features that'll be generated for you. And then let me see if I can get this one. Man, it's pretty quick, so long as you can actually get it to go. Let me see here. And like I said, I just learned from looking at the different prompts that these guys have that gave me ideas for illustrative. You can put in different features like how close you want the image to look. You can put in specific people if you want them to be used. The only problem I had is I did upload some screenshots of products, and it didn't apply those. I wanted to do some product mock-ups, and it wasn't able to apply those very well. Here we go. Why don't I just do that? Jump to present. So let me see this. 16-year-old. Let me see where mine is. And you got to just look up your handle here in order for it to show you. But let me see what we got. The limitation is obviously they don't want you to have gory content. They also don't want you to have inappropriate content. So if you're going to be drawing something crazy, probably not the best place to do it on here, but I wouldn't imagine that you would anyway. But here's the image that they came up with for me. So here you go. And what you can do is you can choose which one of these is most, which one you like the most. And so what we can do, none of those look like me. So what I can do is I can actually ask it to create a different version, or if I want to use one of these, what I'll do is I'll ask it to create variations of a certain version. So if we look at this again, maybe I would look most like this guy because he has a beard. And so this is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do V3, and I'm going to ask it to create some different variations there. And it'll generate some new variations with this. So let's go through this. And you see, like, it's pretty impressive. I'll be honest, like how descriptive it is. And it'll take just a couple minutes to generate it. I've downloaded a bunch of these images just for reference because I think that they look good. But if you there's nothing in their terms that say that you can't do that. But again, like if you're going to be using this for, I don't know, trade secrets or something, you might want to be aware of that. But there you go. So now it created different versions of the image like that. So this is a tool I would definitely check out. It's called Midjourney. It can be very helpful if you are creating ads or if you are looking for some inspiration. It does a lot of the work for you, and it's a great foundation for you to build on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.